West Iowa, west central Iowa, east central Nebraska, northeast east winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts to around 35 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tuesday, breezy, snow. Areas of blowing snow. Snow may be heavy at times in the morning. Snow accumulation of 4 to 5 inches. Total snow accumulation 8 to 10 inches. Highs in the low. Blizzard information for the following counties in Nebraska: Boone, Colfax, Dodge, Madison, and Platte. Blizzard warning in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 4 a.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 4 a.m. Wednesday. The blizzard watch is no longer in effect. Timing: snow is likely to develop by early this evening, with snow continuing into Tuesday before coming to a close late Tuesday evening. Wind/visibility: northerly winds gusting around 40 miles per hour is expected through most of the day on Tuesday. This, combined with snowfall, will equate to blizzard or near blizzard conditions with blowing and drifting snow for a prolonged period of time. Even though winds will diminish somewhat on Tuesday night, areas of blowing and drifting snow will still be possible. Snow accumulations: as of now it appears amounts of 9 to 12 inches could be realized by events and Tuesday evening. A powerful storm system pushing across the Central Plains will be the focus for inducing blizzard